should blank a lot of water. Option is A. Drink, B. Eat, C. Drinking, D. Eating. Answer is option A. Drink.
Blank spend most of their time on research. Choose the right spelling. Option is A. Scientists, B. Scientist, C. Scientists, D. Scientists. Answer is option A. Scientists.
It is blank. Choose the right spelling. Option is A. Wonderful, B. Wonderful, C. Wonderful, D. Wonderful. Answer is option D. Wonderful.
She blank eat ice cream. Option is A. Doesn't, B. Don't, C. Do not, D. Do. Answer is option A. Doesn't.
Russia is the blank country in the world. Option is A. Biggest, B. More big, C. Big, D. Bigger. Answer is option A. Biggest.
We must help our family members. Option is A. True, B. False, C. Can't say, D. None of these. Answer is option A. True.
In the following, which is a plural form of a tooth? Option is A. Tooths, B. Teeth, C. Teeths, D. Teeth. Answer is option B. Teeth. Did you know zebra and giraffe both have patterns on their body?
Thank you. That was blank. Very nice lunch. Option is A. B. An, C. The, D. None. Answer is option A.
I am a lotus. I blank in muddy water. Option is A. Bloomed, B. Blooming, C. Blooms, D. Bloom. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then like the video.
Mr. Jadeja is the blank member in our group. Option is A. Populist, B. More popular, C. Most popular, D. Popular. Answer is option C. Most popular. Which animal is coming?
It's a gorilla.
Yes, you are right. Did you know, gorilla is social animal and lives in groups called as troops.
The bear is blank, honey. Option is A. Eat, B. Eats, C. Eating, D. Ate. Answer is option C. Eating.
We were playing Scrabble in the sentence which is the pronoun. Option is A. Playing, B. Scrabble, C. We, D. Were. Answer is option C. We.
Which one among the following is a bird? Option is A. Eagle, B. Tiger, C. Frog, D. Mosquito. Answer is option A. Eagle.
When did people first land on blank moon? Option is A. B. An, C. The. D. None. Answer is option C. The.
Synonym of angry is, option is A. Cover, B. Home, C. Silly, D. Furious. Answer is option D. Furious.